What's the meaning of complex number? Complex number. Complex number.
Complex number. Complex number. A complex number is a type of number that consists of two parts, a real part and an imaginary part. The imaginary part is represented by the letter I, which stands for the square root of -1. Complex numbers can be added, subtracted, multiplied and divided like any other numbers. They are useful in many areas of mathematics and physics, such as in electrical engineering, signal processing, and quantum mechanics. Complex numbers have a geometric interpretation as points in a two-dimensional plane called the complex plane, where the horizontal axis represents the real part and the vertical axis represents the imaginary part.